Hey everyone, we're going to be continuing this Trading for Success series today on talking about Forex trading advice, and I'm going to be giving out tips and advice on how to be a successful Forex trader. So these are 8 things where any Forex trader needs to know before starting to trade. And number one, we have a proper risk management plan. A proper risk management plan is like any other business that you want to start, you need to have a plan. And with a proper risk management plan in the Forex market, this analyzes how much money you are fine with risking. Because in the Forex market, there's going to be losses. You can't expect yourself to be winning trades every other day or any other day. Because it's like any other business or any other thing, work in life, you're going to be losing money. And having a proper risk management plan helps you from risking your whole account. This helps you lose a specific amount of money, and you'll get that return back in any other trades that you enter in any other day. So it's very important to have a proper risk management plan. And if you need help setting up a proper risk management plan, feel free to DM me or email me, and I can help you set a proper risk management plan. Number two, a strategy that helps you get consistent profits. So in the Forex market, it's just we see charts. And if you open up a chart, you just see candlesticks, you see a time frame, and you just see different colors just moving up or down, and you don't know what that means, right? So having a strategy and labeling your chart is very important if you want to make consistent profit in the Forex market. There are many online resources you can do and many strategies that you can look up online so you can help yourself get consistent profits, because having a strategy in the Forex market automatically risks, like, helps you minimize risk and losing more money than just entering a trade in your head you think is going to go up, because that's not how this market works. This market works with using your own strategies, with using experts, with people that make millions of dollars in this market. They have specific strategies that they use day by day, and they use the same strategy over and over again. They don't focus themselves on, there are tens of maybe hundreds of strategies in the Forex market. And it's important, if you want to stick to one strategy and work with that strategy and help and get indications and use many indicators to help your strategy become very profitable. And that, with sticking with that one strategy, helps you stick with getting consistent profits. Number three, writing down daily, weekly, and monthly goals. So like any other business you want to start, especially if you want to become a Forex trader, you need to write down how much money you want to make. You can't just say to yourself like, oh, I want to make $5 or I want to make $10 today or $10. Like, no, that's not how these markets run. If you want to be a successful Forex trader, then you need to write down how much money you want to make a day, a week, maybe even a month, maybe even a year, because it's important to write down your goals. It's important to write down how much money you want to make consistently. In my opinion, if you want to start trading, like I started my profitable trading with gaining at least 5 to 10% of profits a day and losing nowhere more than 5%, because it's just helpful to write down your goals and knowing how much money you want to make consistently a day, than saying to yourself, I want to make $3, $5, $10, $100. Like, it's very important to write down your goals and knowing how much you're making a day, to see how much you increase over a week, to see how much you increase over a month, and then the path goes on and on. Number four, patience. This is, I think, one of the key things in Forex trading, is to have patience. The main thing I can say to anyone watching this video is, if you think this is a quick rich scheme, then stop trading. Like, there's no point of trading if you think you're gonna make thousands of millions of dollars in like a week or so, because that's not how this market works. You need to be patient. You need to be trustful and confident in yourself. You need to wait and know what you're doing before you enter any other trades. If you want to learn how to read a chart or a Forex market chart and read candlesticks, then you need to be patient. Like I said, number two, a strategy. You need to be patient with your strategies you are using. This Forex journey does not take days or weeks to learn. Like, this is a monthly, maybe even years to learn. but at the end of the day, it's going to be worth it because your patience is what leads to your success. Number 5, we have energy and a positive mindset. So many people that are saying Forex is a scam or Forex is not true, like, don't have that mindset. If you want to become a successful trader, you can see millions of people making millions of dollars a day in this market have a positive mindset. They have the energy to learn. They have the energy to put knowledge in themselves, to put the time and effort, to give a couple months or maybe like a year of hard work to make millions of dollars for the rest of their lives. Like, that's the mindset you need to have. You need to have the mindset of writing down your goals, having a plan, writing down consistent profits you are making, the strategies, and patience is what leads to a positive mindset. And number 6 is a mentor. Like I said, anyone loves to be in a group, or maybe you want to start in a business by yourself. But how I started my Forex journey is that I had a mentor, and my mentor, we had a group, and we all just help each other, and we all invest in ourselves and put in money to learn. And that is very important about a mentor also, because a mentor helps you succeed in a path you want to both succeed in, and you both give each other ideas, and that's what a mentor is for, to always help you in what path you want to lead to if you want to become a successful trader. Number 7, knowledge. With knowledge, like I said before, knowledge is like a big thing if you want to learn how to read a chart, a Forex chart. There are many strategies and patterns in the Forex market, and with the right knowledge, you can be consistent with your profits. You can't just say to yourself, like I said in number 2, you can't just enter a trade you think is going to buy or you think is going to sell, because that's not how this market works. With knowledge, with proper knowledge, and putting your own time and learning how to read these charts and having your own strategies, this will lead you to consistent profits. And finally, number 8, investments. Like number 4 with patience, investments is another key thing in the Forex market. Like, you don't have to start with $1,000 or $100, but there isn't such thing as a business of just starting with $0. You need to have some money invested if you want to make more money. This isn't a quick rich scheme. This isn't, oh, I'm going to make this much money, and no, that's not how this market works. If you want to be successful in a Forex market, if you want to become a successful Forex trader, you need to have some money invested. If you want to enter specific trades, especially, there are many trades in the Forex market that you can make hundreds of dollars, hundreds to thousands of dollars with little amount of money if you have specific amount invested. You can't just say to yourself, "Oh, I can start with $5 or with $10." Like, you can start with $5 or $10, but don't expect yourself to be making thousands of dollars like that. Because like in any other market, in the Forex market, you need to have some investments if you want to be a successful Forex trader. And that is the tips I'm going to be giving out today. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys in the next Trading to Success series. If you have any questions, feel free to DM me or email. I'll leave it down below. See you guys in the next one.